This is going to be today's video review for Thursday, January the 14th, 2016 for Drum Energy Bands. Please read our trading disclaimer. Today we had 5 trades at up till this point here. They were all winners using the system edge. That's 100%. Let's have a look at it now. What you'll see is there's a dot here that's right up to the mid. This is a lower dot, by the way, with respect to this dot right here. In other words, this one is lower than that one. So they're both weak, they're both below the midline into a crest of resistance. This is our upper yellow, upper energy band, upper yellow for a higher chart. Very, very simple concept to get. You get a red brick up in this upper yellow here. This is your trigger to get short. So that's our first one. Stops, of course, are 2 ticks above the high. This is also going to be above the upper energy band. So your stop is going to be up here. And your target is going to be this lower green energy band generally. And what I mean by generally is we're getting a push here up from this white dotted midline. That means we're going down to this lower green energy band. So you got an 89.90 target on this. You can see we hit that perfectly. Next trade. So you can see we had strong dots, weak dots, back to the crest, into this midline. When the midline here reveals itself, it's going to be pushing down. We're going to the lower green energy band. So you get about an 82, we'll say, target. What you're looking for is you're looking for the pull back to get close to this white dotted line. And then when it pushes up, can't take out the crest, which is the weak dot push, right? I mean, this here is this point right here. So this is preferred, when you're closer to this white line to go back into this crest, and also for price to be above this upper yellow area here that's drawn and then crawls inside it. That's what we call outside inside. So we're looking at, this is an aggressive entry. Although the bottom here came pretty close, this one is even better, right? So that's the second trade. And the target, like I said, it down to about 82. No problem. Fulfilled. So the way we look at it is we got a strong dot down, we got a weak dot, right? It's holding above the solid white midline. And we want to see this lower yellow on the left hold. And you can see it's starting to hold here. But what we like is, at least we got up into this upper yellow, which is close to this white dotted midline up here, right? So here you see price is staying inside this yellow from the left chart. So this would be the opportunity for the weak dot push as we crack through. You can see the lower yellow is holding under this condition. This is a very important level for us in the stock market. Okay, we got our strong dot right here. We got our weak dot right here. Okay, and this is coming up from this white dotted line. So if that's not pushing up, we're going into this lower green, right? And as always, our stop is always going to be 2 ticks above the upper energy band, or if the high is poking above the upper energy band, we're going to go above it. So stop up in here. Target is down 74.75. You can see we hit that no problem. And that's your weak dot push, this upper yellow. You can see it on the right chart. Price is above it, crawls down directly from this white dotted midline, pushes up, upper yellow down. Time to take short. The next trade is right here, and this is the final one. It's a valley. You can see the dots coming down just a little strong, but nonetheless they were strong. Then they went nice and weak for us, okay? Real weak, up in the upper yellow here. Valley support, this white dotted line, which we just broke below, we pop back above it. We can't get back down through it. This is at 10.12. This is, a market that pulls back into the lower yellow overlap right here. You can see that our target would be below this lower green energy band by 2 ticks and the entry on the green brick. I like it because we're coming down and we're touching. Do you see here? This here is touching this white dotted line. It's making this right chart's lower yellow up and also the left chart lower yellow up. Target is going to be this upper pink, 1880, not a problem. as with all trades today, proper money management, no reason you could have got at least 2 points today. Everyone have a great trading week. Manage your risk. If you're interested in learning further, send us an email at jb@drummondenergybands.com. Thank you for listening.